face, yeah, know your place, yeah. I got leaves in like right now, I'm impatient. I got women on the cell trying to give me hell, yeah.
Route 4, Eastgate Hamilton Place. Welcome aboard, Carla.
My fucking stomach's killing me. How you doing? What is up, guys? Hope you like this video, and if you do, hit that like button, subscribe,
And comment down below.
also check out Ajax for helping us film some. His channel, he's got behind the scenes stuff and a few pranks. What do you think, ma'am? Are you gonna subscribe?
Sure. We got a subscriber, guys.
One
Love,
subscriber.
love
On the
y'all.
way to 1 million.
I was down there at Chick-fil-A.
Hey, you guys gotta excuse me for one minute. Just excuse me. Don't pay me no mind.
There's a bathroom around here.
Go in the power bar right here. Go right here. Go up the step. Go to your right there.
There aren't any this way at all. There aren't any this way at all. That'll work. Thank you, guys.
You guys cover for me for a second? Just cover for me. Sorry. What's up, man? What's up? I'm here. It did, didn't it? It's just.
You know where our bathroom is? Taco Bell. Where's that at?
What is that? What's that? It's on the ground.
What the fuck are you doing?
Shit. Look at that. Oh my god.
It's just.
We have that water?
No, you ain't getting water. Fuck off, you just licked it.
Hey ma'am, you know where the bathroom is? Like the closest bathroom? My stomach's cramping really bad.
Last one night.
Thank you.